Welcome back to The Wolf and the Melody. My name is Tommy, and tonight we're checking out a new band called Vespertine, Rain into the Hollow. This band actually reached out to me, and they said, hey man, you want to check this out? And I said, hey man, sure. And so this is how this started. I'm pretty excited. They gave me a brief description, and I like that. I like that I can go in and be completely like, what are we walking into? So I don't know what we're walking into, but I think it's gonna be cool. I think the band name sounds really cool, and I like the title of the song. I'm big on words. So yeah, y'all. Thank you for being here. If you're new to the channel, I believe that music can be a healing connection, a catalyst for us to connect, especially in this day and age where we have all these means to connect, but we're struggling to do so. People are struggling with depression, anxiety, feeling lost, feeling lonely. I want to provide content that not only is encouraging, well, not only are we discovering music, but I want this to be encouraging, and I want to be able to talk about deeper things as we go on this journey. You know, two people can come together for their love of music and develop an amazing friendship that can be deep. And when I started this channel, it was to discover music, but more importantly, I just care about people. I feel very fortunate to have gone through a lot of things in my life, and I want to be able to help as many people as I can, whether that be through encouraging them, cheering them on, whatever. And I just care about people. And I think music brings us together. So anyway, enough talking. Let's check out this song. Vespertine. Is it Vespertine? Vespertine. Also, bear with me. I'm recovering from a cold. My voice is a little synthy, a little piano. I like it. Pretty melody. Ooh, cool lead. Love the vocals. Let me tell you something real quick. A band, they can have the best sounding music, but if their vocals don't slap for me, it ain't gonna work. I will very rarely listen to a band unless they have really good vocals. I like these vocals. Oh, shit.
Distorted memories of the world we failed to save. Lay before my bleeding eyes while I remain. To grow beneath me, retracts my face. A gate into the other
Great words.
of the world we learn to crave. Beneath the stones, a world we lost. Beyond the marble gate into the hollow. When the tide turns in, the dust lays to rest. Remains of the days
dude, her tone, what a beautiful voice. Oh my god. Ooh, gave me cold chills.
Causeless losses for the world we're proud to see. Intimidating, infuriating, contradicting furies. It's time to stand before the gates and embrace the gift within the depths of the high Calvary.
Oh my god. That is a badass riff, dude. Oh wow.
When the tide turns in, the dust lays to rest. Remains of the days under the sun. Its skies and all the flower dies. For my name forever.
Time comes, I'll hold tight. Unite my strength, call my name. I will not forsake. As the tide turns and the dust lays to rest, remains of the days under the sun. Red skies and all the flower dies. Call my name forever.
Dude. Fuck off, man. That was awesome. Oh my, they had. Okay, okay. They had a lot of elements, a lot of things going on, but it all made sense. It wasn't like some bands will overdo it, you know what I mean? Because they want to just capture you with these elements of. They had a perfect blend of song, the flow, the verse to the chorus, back to the verse, chorus, bridge. The transitions were incredible. The use of the atmosphere, the instruments, everything, the leads, the solos, the melodies, the flow, the cadence, everything. And you throw in two amazing vocalists, you got a perfect marriage here. This was an awesome song. It was giving me cold chills, man. Um, wow, y'all go show Vespertine some love. Like I always say, if you could go back to the original link of the video, let them know that you heard their song over on our channel, and show them some love. They're just starting out, I believe, right? Um, yeah. So this was incredible, awesome, loved it, dude. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for hanging out and spending time with me today. Thank you for bearing with me as I recover. I got a little bit of my voice. I feel like my voice sounds really weird, but I'm just recovering from a cold. Um, but yeah, you guys know that I appreciate you and I'm so grateful for you. Thank you for taking time out of your day to be here. Keep your head up. Reach out if you need to talk. Please know that you are so valuable and you have so much worth. Take away all the videos. At the end of the day, what matters is you. So keep going. All right. I love your face. Stay lovely, stay metal, and until next time, we'll be back with another reaction.